broke for lunch, we were talking about a series of interviews that you had with the defense on August 7th of 2023, September 12th of 2023, December 6th of 2023, and February 8th of 2024. Do you recall that?
Yes.
During these interviews, did you tell Mr. Levine and his investigator that prior to the murder, you were at the house, the Sementilli home, several times, especially when Fabio was away on business?
Yes.
On February 8th, it appears that you were shown crime scene photos. Do you recall that?
I don't remember the date, but I remember seeing the photos.
So you were shown crime scene photos, correct?
A few of them.
Only a few?
Yeah, a couple of them.
A couple now. Which is it, a couple or a few?
Maybe two, I'm guessing.
Two.
It wasn't that many.
So you weren't shown the full set?
I don't even know what a full set is.
Okay. But in your, in what you remember today, in your memory, it was a few or a couple, maybe two or three. Is that what you've testified to here
Maybe
today?
Maybe two.
Maybe two. Okay. And during that same interview on February 8th of 2024, did you tell Mr. Levine and his investigator that the letter that you wrote to Monica contained falsehoods?
I can't remember what day it was exactly, but I remember telling him that it was false. It was a lot of inaccuracies and a lot of lies in it. I don't know what day it was.
Okay. Did you also tell them that on the day of the murder that you knew Fabio was going to be there alone?
I can't remember that.
During the February 8th interview, do you see here where it says, I knew he was going to be there at the home alone during the February 8th interview?
Okay, I must have said it then.
Okay.
I just don't remember it.
And then do you also remember telling Mr. Levine and his investigator, I wanted him out of the way long term so we could be together?
I do remember saying that.
Okay.
Not on that date, I don't know, but I remember saying it to him.
Do you have any reason to suspect that that it wasn't that day?
I just don't remember what day it was.
Okay? And again, there's no recording, so there's no transcript, but I'm showing you...
I'm sorry, I'll wait.
I'm showing you the report from that day to see if that alone refreshes your recollection as to when you made that statement to the defense.
I don't remember that date.
Your Honor, the first part of that, asked and answered several times, has become argumentative.
It's argumentative, sustained. Just that first part. I'm not striking the answer.
Did you also tell Mr. Levine and his investigator during that February 8th interview that this was not a plan made well in advance?
If that's what it was said in there, yes.
Okay. And so that would also be a lie, correct?
That plan, not in advance, but plans in general, yes.
So again, that would be a lie when you told Mr. Levine and his investigator on February 8th that the plan to kill Fabio was not made well in advance.
That plan wasn't made well in advance.
So it's true, is what you're saying now.
I'm answering your question. That plan wasn't made in advance.
Yet
Plans.
we talked about the fact that you made a plan such that you purchased a knife, right?
Yes.
Took it with you to Vegas,
Yes.
right? Made arrangements for Chris Austin to come with you,
Yes.
drove to Vegas,
Yes.
and discussed the plan.
It was just to see if he would go along with it, the Vegas plan.
But again, that was the same plan, right? You were gonna kill Fabio Sementilli using a knife, right? It's the same plan.
It was the same plan, but it was nothing concrete.
Okay. So when you told them that it was not a plan made well in advance, that would be false, because as we discussed, and you told the jury, you did this way back in July of 2016, correct?
I did what? Make a plan?
Yes.
It wasn't the same plan. It was something different.
It was,
But-
again, a plan to kill Fabio Sementilli that you hatched way back in the summer of 2016, correct?
It wasn't the same plan.
Okay. So you're saying that your statement to Mr. Levine and his investigator, this was not a plan made well in advance, is true. Is that your statement today to this jury?
Yes.
Okay. On February 8th, do you recall them showing you the video of the two joggers running toward the Sementilli house?
I don't remember the date, but I remember them showing me the video of the joggers.
And did you also tell Mr. Levine and his investigator that you were on the video?
Yes.
Okay. Did you also tell Mr. Levine during this interview that the fact that you drove a rental car that day was just a fluke?
I don't remember every portion of the conversation. If he put it on there, I said it.
Okay. You would agree, I assume, today, that that statement that you gave to the defense was also a lie, right?
Sure.
And then you also said on that February 8th interview that you lied about some of the details relating to the murder in the letter.
Say that again one more time.
You lied only about some of the details relating to the murder in the letter.
When I was talking to Levine and Company.
Levine and Company, right?
Yes.
So that means some of the things in the letter were true.
Some of them.
Okay. Did you also tell Mr. Levine and Company that you had provided a ridiculous explanation for some of the details, such as the birthday card story?
If it's in there, I probably said it.
And did you also tell them that the birthday card story was bullshit?
If it's in there, I probably said it.
Does that sound like something you would have said?
If it's in there, I probably said it.
Okay. Well, you have no reason to believe that they would fabricate what you told them, right?
No, they wouldn't.
Okay. And then you also told them that you didn't want Monica to find out that you had intentionally murdered Fabio. Do you remember that?
If it's in there, then I probably said it.
Okay. Probably or did?
I probably said it.
So it doesn't mean that you did, right?
I probably did say it. I probably did say it.
Okay. And then on December 6th, during yet another interview, did you tell Levine and Company that once it was clear that Fabio was dead, you went through the house removing anything that might tie you to the scene?
I probably did say that too.
And did you also tell them that one of the items that you removed from the house was the birthday card?
I may have. I just don't remember.
So did you leave a birthday card there when you went to kill Fabio that day?
No.
So that was another lie that you told on December 6th to Levine and Company, right?
Probably.
Your Honor, I object to Levine and Company. I wish we were incorporated.
I understand that, but I'm not going to order counsel to refer to you in any other way.
I'm sorry.
I'm not going to order counsel to refer to Mr. Levine in any other way.
Okay. And did you also tell Mr. Levine and his investigator that you put the birthday card and the murder weapon into a pillowcase and took them along with the security VCR?
If that's what they said, I probably did.
What you probably did or what you did?
That's, what I said was probably what I said, but what I did, no.
So again, that would be yet another lie that you told them on December 6th, correct?
Yeah.
2023.
Yes?
And then you told them you dumped all the items into a trash dumpster not far from the Ralphs.
Correct.
Is that part true? Or again, is that yet another lie?
That was a lie.
That was also a lie.
Yes.
Okay. It appears that at no point during this interview did you ever mention gold coins or documents. True?
Correct.
Did you also tell Mr. Levine and his investigator that if you saw the discovery, especially your texts and emails, it would help you reconstruct a timeline?
If I said that or not? Is that what you're asking me? I don't remember if I said that or not.
You don't remember if you said that?
No, I don't remember saying that. Meaning I can't remember saying it.
Right.
I don't have that photographic memory like that.
I'm sorry?
I don't have that audio.
Your Honor, I would ask that the approach with the specific item that...
And that would be true. If you're going to try and refresh memory, it cannot be done like this.
Yeah, I'm
This
not
approach.
trying to refresh. I believe I'm impeaching based on the history of the last 3 days.
Well, Your Honor, I'm happy to have the entire...
Stop, both of you. You want to approach? You're going to